plots update. You can now zoom and pan on focus plots within the extension. You can do this by clicking on the plot to focus it. You can then use your mouse wheel to zoom in on parts of the plot that you'd like to inspect more closely. And you can also use the pinch function on your trackpad. This is also available for custom plots, which is obviously very handy because some of these dots are very sparse. You can zoom in and see which ones they are. Okay, that's it. Cheers. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, DV. And feel free to post comments and questions below. Beyond our tools themselves, we have many resources for you on your ML journey. Visit our docs, our blog for tutorials, our YouTube channel, our Discord server for support and community, and our free online course. You can find all the links to these resources in the description. Thanks for making it to the end. DV and I will see you in the next video.